Before the video begins, if you are new to the channel, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe. It only takes 1 second to subscribe, and it takes me hours and hours to complete these drawings, and I'd greatly appreciate it. While you're at it, turn on post notifications so you don't miss out every time I upload a new video. I upload every single Friday, every single week, and I'm consistent, so make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, that wraps up the end of the video. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like the video, make sure to comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment. I replied to every single comment, so don't be afraid to comment. And also share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. And if you are new to the channel, also subscribe. I would really appreciate it, and it helps the channel grow a lot. Here is another Jujutsu Kaisen drawing, and I honestly love Gojo Satoru. He is so cool, and honestly he's so powerful, which makes him even cooler. And his headband around his eyes, I just love it, and I had to draw him. And honestly, I had a lot of trouble with this drawing because the reference I used was from the manga, and the pose that he was in, his head was tilted, which made it difficult because I had to find the right angles for certain parts of his head, like his eyes. And hopefully you all enjoyed as much as I did, and I'm glad that this drawing challenged me, because every time I get challenged with a drawing, I feel like it helps me improve my technique. Also, if you really like Jujutsu Kaisen, I made a Itadori Yuji drawing, so if you missed it, go check it out. It's on my channel. I'm going to be leaving a list of my playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find an anime character that I've drawn that you may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.